Welcome to the Fiji Group presentation. I'm Elaine. The Boeing company is the largest manufacturer in the world. It is also a leading producer of the military and commercial aircraft in 150 countries. The commercial airplanes play a very important role in the world. It owns 78.5% of the market share. Overall, our company is running a healthy business. The total revenue of last year was 94 billion. And based on the research, we know more and more clients require safety trips. So our next plan is going to develop a new detachable cabin plane. This detachable cabin plane, it can eject itself from the event of emergency. The pilots could push a button that will allow the cabin with the passenger and the cargo completely separate from the rest of the plane. So right now, let's watch a video to get more idea about the detachable cabin plane. Okay, so from the video we can see the removable cabin can land on the ground with the help of the parachute system. It also can land on over the sea from the air cushion. So overall, this detachable cabin invented to save life during air crash.
My name is Junwei. So now I'm going to present a SWOT analysis for our new detachable cabin plane. First, we talk about the strength. With the new detachable cabin comes with our new plane, we can increase the survivability of our passengers and commercial cargo when the air crash is happened. This is a very unique feature that invented by us exclusively. Therefore, it becomes our substantial advantage, and it's very likely that we can maintain this advantage for a few years. Moreover, becoming a leading company of inventing a safer plane, our company's brand image could be improved in the public. Moving on to the weakness. Due to the expensive material and technical complexity, the price of our new plane will be higher than the regular one we have currently. Also, by using the detachable cabin, the seating capacity will be reduced slightly, as well as using more fuel during the operation. There are many opportunities for our new plane. First, we are expecting a high demand from the airline because nowadays safety is always the priority. Customers want a safety trip, especially from the wealthy population. By increasing the substantial advantage by increasing the survivability, the cost from the insurance company also reduced. Therefore, it's very possible that we can partner with some leading insurance company to take this investment with us. However, there are still some threats for our new plane. First, plane crash fatality are exceedingly rare. The ejected cabin could hit mountains of buildings. With this great concern, the travel regulations, such as aviation law in most countries, might go against us in the global market, which could put us into a disadvantage.
My name is Quanyue. I'm going to talk about the marketing objective. With the marketing objective for the new products, Boeing aims to enhance safety of our airplanes to every passenger, become the pioneer in the field, and finally build its sustainable competitive advantage. For the first year, we want to have more people to know our products and idea. Meanwhile, we want to achieve the goals of having 5% increase in market share and sell at least 300 attachable airplanes. Realistic, the answer is yes. According to International Civil Aviation Organization, 71% of all accidents happen during cruising flights, so that buying our products will help to increase the accident rates. Moreover, data shows that the plane ticket will only price 50% more than the regular price, which is reasonable and inexpensive. Also, 95% of people would be willing to pay more for more safety trips. It is attractive to airplanes to purchase our products since it will bring them impressive profits and better reputation. Therefore, Boeing is likely to achieve these goals.
So my name is Shengwei Wang. I'm here to talk about the targeting and the positioning part. In terms of targeting here, the intended target market for our product will be airline and business. In order to target the market, we are going to use the following two segmentations. The first one here will be the benefit segmentation. By definition, it means consumers derive benefits from products or services. In other words, the market is all about satisfying consumers' needs and wants. We believe when passengers are on board, the biggest needs and wants for them will be the safety here, and our product will satisfy their needs here. And the second one will be the behavioral segmentation. It means dividing customers into groups based on how they use the product or service. Some behavioral measures include location and loyalty. In our case here, we will be relating to the loyalty. Since we are the only aircraft company making the detachable plane. So if we meet the customers' needs and wants, they will be dependent on our product. And this will help us to sell more products as more as possible. So right now I'm gonna move to the positioning part. When we position our product in the market, these three attributes come up to our mind here. So the first one will be the safety. It's basically about the increased chance of survival when plane crashes. In other words, when the plane crashes, our cabin part will be detached from the whole part of the aircraft, and it will be landed on the ground or sea by the air cushion turned on. And the next attribute will be the new technology. As I mentioned before, we are considered the first company making the aircraft, so we are the pioneer of the product. And so, which means when we enter the market, it will bring us the benefit of less competitiveness. And the last one here is high quality. So for this one, we're gonna to do the reusable cabin and the air cushion. So when aircraft crashes, the air cushion will turn on, as I said before, and the cabin part can be reusable for the new airplane, because this will not be destroyed when the plane crashes.
My name is Tatiana. I'm going to talk about the Boeing company and why we choose it. So we choose Boeing company because it's an American corporation, well known in this country, and they design, manufacture, and sell airplanes. So that's the reason why we choose Boeing company. So the product color. The product color will be customized according to the airline or business desires, because airlines and businesses want to be distinctive and unique. So they will change the color as they buy the product. Product size. So we will make this product in two different sizes. The jumbo passenger jet that has between 200 and 300 seats and is designed for airline businesses. We also have the medium size passenger jet that has around 150 to 200 seats and is designed for airlines and businesses too. Our company goal is to provide as many possible options to our customers to fulfill their needs and their customers' needs. Pricing strategy. So we choose to have a skimming price because at the beginning our product is going to have a high price. So we will rate high prices in the introductory phase. Why? Because we have substantial advantages with this product. One of the substantial advantages is that we do not have competitors. So we are the first company producing this product, and it's a very innovative product. So another reason is because the material of the airline has a higher cost than a regular plane, since we are using lightweight material, so the parachutes can hold their detachable cabin and passengers. Okay, so for distribution strategy, we are not using neither exclusive, intensive, or selective, because our company doesn't have any retailers, and our company will passes the product through the manufacturer without intermediates. Our company has only 6 stores in the United States. Some of the stores are in Miami, Chicago, and San Luis. So if someone wants to buy the product, they have to go to one of those places in order to get the product and get more information and proceed with the purchase. Channel diagram. So we decided to have our channel diagram as business to business. Our business is Boeing to business, meaning airlines or other different businesses. In the middle of this, we can provide actually information through online, phone, and departmental representatives. But it's going straight from business to businesses. So again, as I said before, as it goes to businesses, we will use online and phone, where we will provide appointments to the customers who wants to buy this product, and we also, so they can get more information face to face and proceed with the purchase. Face to face, we will present the product to the to other companies. For this channel, each company needs a group of people that includes finance department, marketing department, sales department, engineering department, and other executives that can proceed, that can make decisions in a company so they can buy the product or not. So for advertising messages, our slogan is "Safety Trip with Boeing," and this will be our picture. Our company is a combination between public relations and personal sales. Using public relations, our company is engaging in social media, aviator news, newspapers for press release. Using personal sales, our company will provide detailed information to our customers about the new product. So our company will not provide special sales promotions planned to the introduction of the product, because our product do not have competitors and it will be innovative. Overall, this new product has a great potential for the near future. So we think that our company should take into consideration this strategy and proceed with the production of this amazing product. So those are a few of the websites where we took some references and sources. And well, thank you for your time, and I hope you're going to take into consideration too.